Hey there! I'm Chris, here to guide you through claiming warranties with Honeywell. Even the best products can hit a bump, but our warranty claiming guide comes in handy. So, first things first, visit our site for 3-step warranty instructions to claim your warranty with Honeywell. We have provided the contact information of Honeywell, such as the phone number 800-633-991. Available timings and contact address. Following that, you will find the website link to contact Honeywell's customer support team. Head to www.honeywellhome.com for support. Explore categories like thermostats, security, etc. with troubleshooting videos. They can be contacted through chat or phone call. You will be asked to furnish the product information, which includes the model and serial number, metal prong code, and a few additional details. After you provide all the information, they try to resolve the issues by providing troubleshooting tips. You will receive a replacement when your product does not get its life back. We've reached the end of our warranty claim procedure video today. Before we say goodbye, if you ever get stuck or have questions about the warranty process, remember you can always reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. I'm here to be your resource, anytime.